Okay, I'm going to try and mod this original Xbox. It's going to be a gift for my sister's birthday. Her and I grew up playing this a ton. And what I have is a bad disk drive here. So the disk drive doesn't work. I don't know if the hard drive works or not either. I may go try and find one that has a bad hard drive as well, because this hard drive may work. Regardless, I'm going to see if I can mod this and put a bunch of games on it for her birthday. So the steps that I need to do is, first I got to build the hard drive. So I bought some hard drives off of eBay that I need to partition them and format them for original Xboxes. These are a hard drive upgrade, so these are bigger than the original ones. So we are going to be upgrading the hard drive. I've got to build that. Okay, I have this hard drive hub that I've stuck my SATA drive into, and then the program I'm going to be using is called FixNFlip, I believe is what it is. But I think I can do it. I'm going to get this built, and then I got to also transfer all of my game files on there as well. So okay, I am on my PC at my house because I have all of my ISOs on this computer, but they are in an XISO format, and I need to change that to XBE. So I'm using this program called Repackinator, and I am converting my XISOs to the XBE file format. Then after that, I have partitioned the drive already. It was not as hard as I thought it would be. It's actually pretty simple. So then I'm going to take these files and I'm going to dump them onto that hard drive. I need to install the mod chip. I also downloaded a BIOS, so there is a difference. So you've got the BIOS for the Xbox, which is going to be Evox, I believe. Or that's what's on the mod chip. And then there is a dashboard. So the dashboard I downloaded is called Unleashed X, and I also have installed that as well. So I'm hoping that I'm able to just dump my games, install the mod chip, and then everything's gonna boot up. I'm gonna show you guys how I do this. So I've got my SATA drive dock here that houses these bigger SATA drives. And this program I use is called Fat Explorer. It's free for 7 days, and then it's 25 bucks to buy it. But this is how you can get these Xbox drives to read on your computer. So we're going to load it here, and it's going to bring up a bunch of different partitions that I've already created with this same program. So I'm going to load my games into F. See, there's the trial. So I've got a games folder. I've got a bunch of games in here, but these are the wrong files. I couldn't get them to read. So we're going to delete all these. And then over here, this is where the actual files are. So we're going to copy all of these onto this folder. Just dump them. So this is probably going to take a while. Okay, this is the area we're working with. It's this LPC port. And then I've got my pins here, but there is one of these pins I got to pull out because it doesn't slot in. So I'm just going to push this out, pull this pin out. I'm going to put it in here. And then I'm going to get some thermal tape. Okay, then I'm going to solder all of these pins. I need to turn this up. I'm going to solder all these pins right here. You can't even see because of the glare. Okay, next we got to solder to this debug point. It's in this cluster here of all these pads, but it's the third one down. I'm gonna solder here, and then we got to go to ground. So I'm gonna flux that up and then try to get that soldered on there. It's freaking tiny. cat might be coming. That's alright. Okay, now we're going to take this wire that we soldered onto the Xbox, and now we got to solder it onto the D0 point of this chip, which is this one here, D0. Okay, I think that is it. So now we're going to reassemble the Xbox. Reassemble the Xbox, put in the hard drive, and see if this thing boots up. Okay, this is my new drive. My new drive is in. I have my SATA to IDA cable in as well, or my converter. So now all we have left to do is just plug this puppy in and pray that I hooked everything up right, installed everything correctly, and that it works. Maybe I should try this. Oh, let's go give it a shot. Oh, we've done it. Yes! I hooked it up correctly. Are we getting volume? I'd like to see the Evox. See if it'll boot to the dashboard that I installed. Damn it. Okay, so we got something going on here then with the hard drive. So if I had to guess, I didn't hook the BIOS is not on there correctly, or excuse me, the boot files. God dang it. Alright. Okay, actually the reason that I couldn't get it to work right now at this specific point was because the IDE cable I was using was the stock one. And what you need is an 80 wire IDE cable. So I ended up getting one of those, trying it, it worked instantly. So save yourself a lot of heartache and make sure you get the IDE cable with the 80 wire ones. So it's like 15 bucks or something. Yes, there it is, dude. Got it. It's working. Finally. I had the games in the wrong file format. Okay, so this thing is good to go. You can see here, I got a drive that won't read. I do have a disk drive. Actually, this one does work. This is the original. However, those are paired to these Xboxes, so where I upgraded that one. I didn't get the EEPROM off of it, so I think this is worthless. Unless people smarter than me can do stuff with it. They could probably find a way to get the EEPROM off. Anyway, I'm going to get this put back together, get it all cleaned up. I got to get a new little Xbox deal for the front of this. And then I'm going to go give it to my sister. This is her birthday present. But I have another little gift for her. I've got a special controller that I found, did a little research on, bought one for myself, really like it. And I think she will too. I got you a present.
If it's Nicolas Cage, I'm gonna be upset.
It's not Nicolas Cage. Here, come get it. You can go get it. Come get it and bring it out to her. Or film, whatever you want to do.
You know what? It's your gift. I'll film you.
Even worse.
Here it is.
Okay. Yep. Seeing it. Look at that.
Yeah, you can get her reaction. Okay, you ready?
Okay, I'm closing my eyes.
Keep them closed.
If you
Is it
close.
heavy?
It's heavy.
How heavy? It better not be alive. Is this an Xbox?
Hey, but this is a special Xbox. This isn't.
I only played
listen,
3 games on this.
It's broken.
Oh.
The disk drive doesn't work.
Oh.
But I'm gonna show you something cool that I did. though.
Xbox 360.
Let me hook it up. This is a wireless controller. It's a new. It's
But
a
I
new
have to plug the thingy dingy.
I'm not pausing.
Xbox.
I don't know how to pause.
The moment you handed it to me, I freaking knew. Is this a...
There it is.
All right, here we go.
Oh, sorry.
Here's why it's so special.
Evo X.
I gotta
can't even see.
zoom in on this X.
This
Why
honestly
is it so
was.
special?
This was
Wait.
pretty impressive. This guy figured out how to do this.
It's a special Xbox.
Oh, I never seen this page
Is it
before.
jailbroken?
I didn't want you to have the cool thing. No, this is yours.
Oh, so this is yours.
I have mine at my house.
Thank you.
Well, no, I loaded a Shark Tank.
Gauntlet, Halo, Halo 2. What is that?
It's a modded Xbox.
Lego Star Wars 2, Lord of the Rings. Oh, where's Avery? There it is.
Munch's Odyssey.
He said I couldn't do anything back to
Rayman 3, Star Wars Battlefront.
Johnny Knoxville.
What is that?
That's the next
Eric
one.
Andre.
Thank you.
Oh. Yeah, he's crazy in this movie.
Say thank you.
I haven't played the newest Halo.
No, I can't. Only original Xbox.
Gotta go.
So wait, go back. This one. How many are there of this series?
Odyssey series?
I remember Avery just freaking grinding the Kung Fu
Rayman 3.
Panda game, and then Munch's Odyssey.
I beat that game in 4 hours.
You can click any of these. Like, just pick one.
Pick Munch's Odyssey.
Boys.
They also have
This was me and Avery. Would I even let you play, or would I be like, you can sit in the room with me?
Well, sometimes you would let me
see that?
play. And she'd beat it, and then she's like, hey, well, you beat it.
Over and over and over again. And then I completely borrowed this guy's Xbox to play it again, and Briggs said this game sucks.
Now you got your own. And all the controllers work too, so you guys can all play together. There might be a few profiles made that have Coulter already.
What?
Because when I had to make profiles, so I just typed his name.
He's right here. Because it's so dark. Look how dark that is.
Oh, you can't see freaking Jack.
No, dude, I'm pretty sure I have this memorized in the dark.
Spoof
Am I Abe? Yeah, you're Abe right now.
Holy crap.
Oh, wait, that
was
button.
freaking
This one?
hard.
Yeah, I don't. No leg. Dude, this is what we would grind.
Some beach.
Okay,
Are you coming to hang out?
Fell off the cliff 3 times.
Be careful, Coulter. Okay, well, there it is. We modded the console successfully. Got all the games on there for her. And got it in time for her birthday. So I would say that's a mission success. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to leave a like and to subscribe. If you are in need of console repairs or restorations, maybe you have controllers with stick drift, or you have an original Xbox that has a dead disk drive or dead hard drive, or maybe you want a hard drive upgrade ready for homebrew, be sure to visit our website at magicvalleyretro.com, where you can find out information on how to get a hold of us, to where you can send us your consoles for repair or restoration. We also have tons of stuff available for sale on our website as well at magicvalleyretro.com, so be sure to go visit that and check it out. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, we'll see you next time.